Step into the spotlight, let me show you who I am. Lifestyle on the rise with a camera in my hand. Dancing through the days with dreams that never fade. One step at a time, watch me make my own parade. Turn up the beat, let the rhythm take control. Every move I make, let it touch your soul. From the heart, I'll dance for the world to see. I'll spread my love, let the joy set you free.
Hello guys, so welcome to my channel, Bill by Italian. Guys, napadaan ako dito guys at kami naman na ino guys kasi nakuha ako bumili ako guys sa tinapay at kakain ako dito guys sa lugar din sa bakery kasi may bakery dito guys. Thank you so much guys kung hindi kakain ako guys sa tinapay guys. Malapit guys sa kalsada. Kain tayo guys. Guys, itong unang variants na kakainin ko, dalawang variants kasi yan. Ito guys, ay lahat sila ay mga cheese bread, kaya lang iba-iba lang mo guys. Yung bilog na cheese bread. Ito naman guys, yung cheese bread siya na para siyang Spanish. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you pa guys nakapag-subscribe sa channel Bill by Italian. Please subscribe na po kayo sa aking channel para ma-notify kayo guys sa sunod ko na-upload na video at mapanood nyo po ang lahat ng mga videos ko po na ni-upload. I-scroll lang yun guys, scroll nyo lang yun, makikita yung mga videos dyan. Sumasayaw ako, kumakanta, nagmumukbang din at lahat ng mga lugar guys napuntahan ko, makikita nyo guys yung mga lugar na napuntahan ko guys. Huwag kayong kalimot guys sa pag-subscribe with notification bell all. May pag nasa-subscribe yan guys, mayroong bell dyan, click mo lang yan. Pagkatapos mag-click guys, bababa yung all, click yung all, okay na siya guys. Pwede kayong mabili or manood kung gusto yung manood, kung ayaw manood, basta sa okay lang. Ay importante guys na makapag-subscribe kayo para pag once na magkaroon ka ng time na manood, makikita nyo yan guys pag mag-upload ako, dadaan yan sa inyo guys ang mga ina-upload kong videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Kakain muna ako guys ng ano kasi nauho ako, merienda time. Bigyan ako ng tinapay. Thank you so much for watching. Dito na po guys sa tabi ng kalsada ay meron ding restaurant, ay merong bakery, may mga upuan din dito. Ayan, diba naman at para kumain. Meron din ang soft drink.
Step into the spotlight, let me show you who I am. Lifestyle on the rise with a camera in my hand. Dancing through the days with dreams that never fade. One step at a time, watch me make my own parade. Turn up the beat, let the rhythm take control. Every move I make, let it touch your soul. From the heart, I'll dance for the world to see. I'll spread my love, let the joy set you free.
Kain tayo guys.
From the camera to the stage, watch me as I grow. One day I'll help the world, that's the way I'll go. With every step I take, I'll reach out and lend a hand. Through the highs and lows, I'll stand and take a stand.